RIPCORD blockchains are revolutionary. Cryptocurrency is revolutionary. It has the ability to change the world, like the internet and the automobile before it. Crypto is a fundamental change to the power structure of finance and is shaping our world for a better, brighter future. Immutable. RIPCORD blockchains are immutable and tamper-evident. While our ancestors said written in stone, our children will say written on the blockchain. Public. RIPCORD blockchains are public, flat networks between participants. No hierarchy, no gatekeepers, no controls on what transactions can take place, and all data is verifiable and auditable by anyone. Collaborative. Gone are the days when our only options are opaque banking systems. We're now able to access blockchains as a community. Volunteer participants on the protocol work together to run the network and collaborate to establish and enforce consensus rules. Open. Anyone can participate in RIPCORD blockchains. There are no barriers to entry, no borders, and no permission is required. If you have an internet-connected smartphone, you have all you need to participate. Resistant to censorship. Crypto is resistant to censorship, interference, seizure, manipulation, or control, which makes it neutral to all participants and all transactions. It is not controlled by governments or banks or corporations. Cryptocurrency built on RIPCORD blockchains is controlled by the people. Decentralized. Crypto's greatest strength is that it is not controlled by a central authority, but rather it is a decentralized protocol. RIPCORD blockchains are neutral platforms. These networks cannot prioritize or censor any transaction based on anything other than the adherence to the consensus protocols. Decentralization of power is the primary principle, which makes all of the other RIPCORD properties possible.